Dream building, the know-how to. Hello and welcome to the podcast. My name is Paul Drake. Thank you very much for tuning in. Hope you're getting value from these episodes that are coming to you daily, because why not? Because we can just get on and do it daily. Why the hell not, shan't we? So today we're going to talk about dream building. And what do I mean by dream building? Is building on your dreams by using creative visualization, using meditation, using your own imagination to create the life that you want. Now, this is a very like sore topic on some people's agenda, because some people don't believe it and some people do, so it's very much 50-50. There isn't really anywhere in the grey zone in between. You either believe that you can do it or you don't believe you can do it. And as Henry Ford said, if you believe you can or you believe you can't, well, either way you're right. So if you're in the section that doesn't believe that creative visualization is a tool to help you achieve the life that you want, then please stay tuned, because hopefully the information that I give you will have you maybe thinking differently. And all the people that do think it, then stay tuned, because hopefully you'll learn something new today. Now, first thing first is, what is creative visualization? It's the process of sitting down or laying down and imagining your life how you want it to be. So you get different areas and different places in your life that you want to change. So say you want to change the way you are as a person. So there's a certain personality trait that you don't like. I'm going to go with anger, because that was a big thing in my life, and it's one of them things that I've controlled enough, not to the point where I am happy with it, but I'm getting a lot better, and I am going to progress, keep going further and further and further, to the point where it is no longer even thought about in an issue. So what you do is, there's a few different ways. You can just sit down and just visualize your day as anger free, which is quite a good and common one, which you literally sit down, go throughout your day of which tasks and stuff and what things you need to do that day. All while you're doing that, you're thinking about how your attitude is and how you are perceiving yourself, and you're making sure that if anything comes up, you are staying conscious of your feelings. Another way is actually imagining that you're on a TV screen. This is quite a good one, where you sit down, you are in a theatre or a cinema, you see a massive screen in front of you, and it is, you put your name, so whatever your name is, mine's Paul, so I put Paul's day. Then what I do then is I kind of go back to how, like, certain scenarios that I didn't like the way I handled, and see it in grey picture, because I'm going to know that's not how I want it to happen. And then I kind of scrape all that clean, or delete the video, and then I go on to the next stage, which is how I want to be. So then I see everything in bright colours. I start imagining my day and how I've handled things, and how much, like, how good I feel, and what smells and what sounds I can hear, because you want to try and get all of your senses into the visualization, because as soon as you do that, the rabbits are going mad. Sorry about the noisy background, the rabbits are going mad in the kitchen. So yeah, once you get all the senses, that's when you get your thoughts, your feelings, your emotions, your everything like that into the equation. That is when you have the most, like, change, because you're not just using your eyes, you're using your feelings and everything that comes with it. Now there's quite a few times where people have either come up to me, or you hear about stories about people saying that I've done it once or twice and I didn't see any benefit from it. It's one of them processes that you could either see instantly happen, or it's something that you have to build over time. Sometimes you might sit there and you might not be able to change your thoughts, or you might not be able to stop thinking about certain things, because you might need to then go through the process of just trying to quieten your mind. I'm reading a book at the minute called The Miracle Morning, a fantastic book. It's all about how to create a morning ritual that is supposed to inspire you for the rest of the day, and it is very good, and I'm going through the process of trying to create a morning routine. Now, the first stage is for silence. That's, you can either do meditation, or you can just sit there and try and silence all your thoughts, try and relax, and just try to feel relaxed and just know this is where you want to start your day, nice and calm. Try to get rid of all the negative thoughts. Try to just be clear-minded. And yeah, it's a very good book, and I highly recommend if any of you are struggling to even like get up in the morning, this book will help you realize that if you have a great morning routine, it doesn't matter if you say to yourself you're not a morning person, because it will prove to you that much that this routine is very good, that it doesn't matter what time you get up, because you'll be inspired to get up, because it'll be putting that much goodness into your life. Now, as I say, I'm just starting out on that, so I don't know. I normally get up early anyway. I'm one of these people that are, them weirdos that like to get up early every single day, even Saturday and Sunday. So as I say, it's Sunday today. I've been up since 5:30. I just like to get up early because I'm one of these people that feels like if he gets up later, then he's wasting the day, which isn't a good way to look at it. But I feel like if I get up early, I ain't wasting hours in bed when I could be up doing things like this. I'm podcasting, and it's like 7 o'clock in the morning. So, why? See, when everyone else is still in bed. Yeah. So, main thing is just be kind on yourself. There's about keeping your own perspective in check. Everyone who starts isn't going to be perfect straight away. We have this false belief that as soon as we do something the once, then we're going to master it, and that is totally not true. We need to build like anything. It's like going to the gym. I use this reference quite a lot. If you are going to build big muscles, then you can't just go the once and expect to be like Arnold Schwarzenegger. So what you need to do is do repetitions over time, creating the extra, habits into your life. They're one of the main things. As soon as you get the habits in there, then it becomes easier, because it's one of them things that you finally think to yourself, yep, I'm starting to enjoy this. This is improving my life. This is better in my life. So you start increasing the habits, then that's when things start to get more into check. You start realizing that you are quieting in your mind. Before you know it, you sat there and you think, I've not thought anything for the last 5 minutes. What's going on? Or you've started to visualize, and as each day comes on, after like 30 days, you realize that your visualizations are that clear, and you know the feelings, the thoughts, the emotions, everything that you want is so crystal clear, and you're so energized after you see it that it gives you that emotion to just get up after visualizations and just smash out the day, because this is exactly what you want in life. That is the greatest thing about visualization. The fact that you see yourself doing what you want to achieve. Now, there's a quote by, I think, Napoleon Hill that says, whatever the man can mind, I can spit it out, whatever the mind of man can conceive, he can achieve. Meaning, whatever you can, think about and whatever you can conceive, you can achieve. Do not hold yourself back because of your own limiting beliefs. Put yourself out there and really go for it. So the best book, one of the best books for doing something like that, is by reading Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Gets your thought process in the right mindset of, I can achieve this, I can do that, and I will do that. So a great book. Make sure you can check it out, because why the hell not? Anyway, it's only going to be a quick episode today because, hey, why not? Anyway, that's it for today. Just a quick one about visualization and just building on your dreams, and just taking the life by the bull's horns, as they say. You want to control your life. This is one of the perfect ways to see where your life wants to go. If you are seeing and visualizing your life how you want it to be, then subconsciously you'll automatically start putting things into action. You'll start putting things forward and start making the life decisions that will better you and make you more energized, enthusiastic, just awesomely, just amazingly forward to achieve your goals. Right, that's it for today, guys. Just a quick episode, as I say. Hope I've given you a little bit of value on how to do creative visualization. It's not a massive a massive time consuming thing. You could just do it in 5 minutes if you wanted to, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, however long you want to do it for is just up to you. You do not necessarily have to do it for an hour, like some meditation or something like that. You don't have to do it that long. Really visualize it, and you want to get up out of it feeling energized that that is the life that you want to achieve. And oh, by the way, I have created a course. It is a 6-week free live workshop. If you go to freedomliveschool.com/free live workshop, there is a course there. All you need to do is fill out one question and you get to experience it for free. Yes, for free. So please fill out the question, press submit, and you'll get experience of the course for free. The reason I'm doing it for free is because I want to make sure that there's everything in the course and to give you the best transformation possible. So I'm giving it away free to the people who help me out, make sure that the course is complete and it is perfect, because I want you to get the best transformation that you've ever thought possible. It's all well and good having a course that, you know, promises to deliver but actually doesn't. How many courses have you done that have promised to give you this and other, and what have you've just been disappointed at the end? So I'd rather you be ecstatic and just amazed by the whole course and actually transform your life than me earn money from it when it's may need, you know, a little bit of improvement, or I may miss something out or something like this. I'd rather it be the best it possibly can be. So go and experience it. And that's it for today, guys. As I say, go to freedomliveschool.com/free live workshop. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in today. I'll catch you in a bit.